Hey guys, welcome back to Ishita's World. For so long we hadn't done any chit chat, so how my cuties are. I missed you guys so much. So I was busy with my exams and then I went to my hometown where I met my old friends. I was so busy with my schedule that I couldn't film any videos. I'm back and I promise you guys I will be regular with my videos. I will try to. So today I will be showing you guys a mini Club Factory haul. Small parcel. Before this I never bought anything from Club Factory, so this is my first buy. I was not sure about the product, so I gave it a try. So I bought 5 products from there and let's see. So I have already seen the product, so it's not my first impression, but I will tell my opinion about the products. Either I liked Club Factory or I loved it or I just hate. Keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with this. I love the packaging of Club Factory. Everything came with so good packaging. So for packaging, Club Factory gets 100 out of 100. Okay, let's see what's in. Okay, so first I will start with the smallest thing I received. So this is a cable saver cable protector. Every charger breaks at a point and it helps to protect it. It is not that strong, but it works and that's matter. It's cute. It comes in different colors. I received the white one. You can't have a color choice, they will send you randomly. It retails for rupees 60 approx. So I will give this product 4 out of 10. So the next thing we have with us is the Pufffill Instant Lift Eyebrow Pencil. It's an eyebrow pencil. So it comes with something like this, like a chalk to draw on your eyebrows, and then it has a spoolie on the other end to shape your brows. So the next thing we have with us is a bangle. Here it says that it's a opening turquoise bangle, but it's not at all of turquoise color. If you guys can see, it's totally blue, like really blue, not turquoise blue. Put the image here. It looks quite different. This is how it looks. However it is, I loved it, so I will give it 8.5 out of 10. So the next thing we have with us is this cutie little thing. It's a bag I ordered for points. Actually I travel through public transport and there I need to carry coins, or even if I give them notes they return back some coins, so I need to carry a bag for coins. It's not easy to keep them in purse, so it's so cute. I ordered it because it's so cute. It's for, okay guys, I forgot to mention the price. This retailed for, let me check. Okay, this retailed for 130 rupees. This thing retailed for 90 rupees approx. And this cute little bag retailed for 80 rupees approx. Okay guys, so I'm left with the last product, that is a t-shirt. It came with this Ziploc bag. They help in packing several things while you're going out on a vacation. Okay, so this is the t-shirt. Look how cute it is! Surprise! Like you can wear it and you can stand in front of someone and say that look, I'm the surprise. I bought this for you. I will put a picture here and you guys can see this is how the t-shirt looks on website and this is how the t-shirt looks on me. I wore it on my friend's birthday because I can't wait. And it retailed for approx 250 to 300, something between 250 to 300. I will give this t-shirt 8 out of 10. And that's all guys, I'm done with my haul. If you are watching my videos and if you are yet not subscribed to them, go subscribe now. Click the red button, it's free and you don't need to pay for it, just subscribe. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any video you want me to do, and share with your friends. I hope you like my haul on Club Factory. Go check my other videos if you are free and you don't have any work right now. Just go check them.